Khubor na Sngewlem jong unongsan Hima.
Umintri rang ba ka Jylla ukonrat sangma ulapen pau ka jing Sngewlem halor ka jing klat no uset Muhammad Andalib Razi UIAS ubadei Ophisar jong katnat railway ubabat kum commissioner bat secretary Shakasor kar Jylla katnat PHE bat mission director katnat Jal Jeevan mission. Umintri rang ba ulayathu ba urazi ulaklat ha ka hotel ha Uzbekistan ha kapor ba udang let na kabenta ka kam shimet ka jong u rengkat bat ki weipat ki baya Trei lang bat u ulayathu ba urazi ulaklat ha po ka hotel ka ba usa bat haba shemmi isu na ka kamra lahap ban penpra ya ka jingkhang bat hadin lalap yu u ba ulaklat ha ka jingthia katkum ka jingyo jingtip ka jingkhla jong u ka deina ka heart attack. Umintri rang ba ulapen pau baga jingkla jong u kalong ka jingdo ka bakraw namar na do balathong ye u kum mission director ka Jal Jeevan mission ka kam kalayat kamstet kamet ka basa ka jong u kan poi minta ka janmit hapo ka Jylla.
In fact, it's a very unfortunate and a very sad information that we received yesterday that one of our very senior officials, Mr. Razi, had passed away in Uzbekistan, where he was on a personal trip with some other colleagues from other state officials. Some other officials and officers were there on a purely personal visit. They were there to holiday, and this happened as per the information I have received. I do stand corrected if there is any more details that I missed out. But the information we received was that in the morning there was no response from his room, and so they had to break the door open, and then they found his body. And the information that we have received, that's the preliminary information, that it is a heart attack, and it happened in his sleep, most likely. And we found him in the morning, or rather his colleague found him in the morning along with the hotel officials. And it is in fact a very, very big loss, I should say, for the state. I want to share with you that Mr. Razi, who was an officer from the railway services, had come on deputation to Meghalaya about 4 years back. And seeing the kind of capacity he had, the then additional chief secretary, who is now the chief secretary, Mr. D.P. Walang, had proposed and suggested to me that he could be a good candidate to lead the Jal Jeevan mission as a mission director. And we appointed him as mission director at that point in time, which he executed things very well. And under his leadership, the Jal Jeevan mission, in fact, reached heights that we could never imagine, and we were able to really move fast. Challenges are always there, but overall, if you look at the performance, things were very, very positive and very satisfactory. And we had requested Government of India, because his 4-year term was over, I requested the Honourable Minister for Railways to extend by 1 more year. The provision is there, and if the board agrees, then he can be extended for 1 more year. And we just received, in fact last week, about 3-4 days back, we had received the communication that his extension has been agreed, and that he can stay in Meghalaya for 1 more year, so that we can complete the Jal Jeevan, and all the problems that are there, we can resolve them. So this is the background in which we were actually working. And suddenly this information came to us. His missus, his wife, who is of course an officer in the central government, has also, I'm told, gone to Uzbekistan to bring back his remains. And they should be reaching maybe this evening, late evening is what I was told, and the family will then go ahead with the necessary different steps to complete the last rituals and other formalities that have to be done. So that will be tomorrow. So, but it's a great loss, and we are all very, very shocked with the news of his demise.